palindrome substring. Given a string as return the longest palindromic in S. A palindromic string is a string that reads the same forwards and backwards. So this is a palindromic string. BAB will be the same as BAB backwards, and BB in this one will also be this BB in this one. So our goal is to find the longest string in palindromic string in each in the string that we're given. So let's define our output. Longest. Let's name it longest palindrome. Palindromic string to be more specific. Sub string. Okay. Let's make our return output to be more output. So this will be our output value that we're going to have just to set everything up. So what's next? Let's define a function. Define a function and call it expansion. Let's name these JIJ. Then let's put self since we're going to use it outside. In another function. What's next? Let's make our conditions. Define our conditions. Conditions. Okay. So for while. So while I is more than or equal to 0. So that will be, we have I over here. This is an index of 0. We can't have it less than this. So it can be less than a 0. But it can be equal to a 0 or more. So while is more than or equal to 0. And another condition is j. Why j is less than the length of our string, because we can have j will be going this way. It has to be, j has to go this way, so it can't be over this. So and s I and sj values from the string data. This is the index values. These are the values from s, the I value in s, the j value in s. They have to be equal since we are using a palindrome. So if what's the next step again? If j minus I plus 1, because it's plus 1 because we're starting at the index of 0. So, and there are 5 values over here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 on our for according to our index. So we have to add 1. The indices are 1, so that would be 5 to be more accurate. So let's add 5 to it. Let's add 1 to it to make it more accurate. While if j minus I plus 1 is more than the length of, hold on, this is our string. Let me copy paste this quickly. It is long. So if it's less than this, we will update our new we will update it to now have so I J. So this column will allow us to allow us to select the values from here to here, and let's put a +1 because these are indices and we have to get all of them. We do start an index of 0. And now let's do our decrements and increments. Okay, so I minus equals to, so I will be moving this way if there's any space. So if we're over here, we move this way. J plus 1. Okay, so J will be moving this way to check the and what's the next step now? Let's move outside of this function. Now let's iterate our iteration. Okay, so for I in the range of len s, expansion I. This would be for our odd numbered input. Expansion I plus no I plus 1. So we have to move our I value, the other I value, to 1. So if we have this one over here, so if this one, so we don't have a value over here in the middle, we have 2 values in the middle. So if we have this over here, I will be over here, the other I will be here, and the +1 will be over here if when we get to this. So the I value will get into this one. And this one is our odd one, so we only have 1, so this one is for this one. For even numbered inputs, and stay in the thing. Let me check to see if it's going to run. Let's put comments here. Update the longest value substring. Let me copy and paste this. Well, let me see if it works. It should be able to work now. On it. It's an indentation. Oh yes. And that should work. Yes, and it's been able to run successfully, and it passed all cases. And that's it for this one.